realized gains and losses also occur when you pay invoices through accounts payable or receive cash from accounts payable or accounts receivable. So what happens is that when you book your invoices into accounts payable, so if I go back to here and I hit the accounts payable inside purchasing, and I look at, let me just go back to, let me do it this way. General journal, we'll go test. So inside here, I can create a vote. I can create, instead of using a document type of a GL code, I'm going to type in a vendor. So underneath my vendor, the account is going to be Ace Travel. The currency code will be USD. And then my debit amount, credit amount, and then I've got that same information inside here. I can type in 1,000. I can type in the minus $1,000. That's the 1250, and then the offset code is going to be a GL code, and I'm going to type in travel inside here, because in Business Central you're allowed to do this on a single line. There's the travel account. I'm good like that. So at this point here, I'm using an exchange rate there, and if I go like this and I post print and I preview the posting, this will add it to the subledger at $1,250 US going in. It's going to have $1,000 for the source, sorry, 1,000 US, 1,250 Canadian. It's going to Ace Travel and things like that. So I'm good. So I can see everything that I need to see there. And I can post this through, and then I can pay for it with US dollars. If I pay for it at a different exchange rate, the difference between the exchange rate that I pay it will take the $1,000 out of the US, so that'll wipe itself out. But if I used 1.3 instead of 1.25, then it would multiply by 1.3. You would have the differential, the $50 differential would end up in your foreign exchange gain and loss based upon your currency. The same is also true when you go into payables inside here. If I click on my transaction entry, when I pop down through here and I grab Ace Travel, which is the same company, whoops, cancel. And I can grab a currency inside here. I can grab my Canadian dollars, like so, and I type in $1,000. And then when I click on my distributions, you'll see 750, 750. When I expand this out, it shows me the 1,000 underneath. So it's doing exactly the same thing. And again, if I pay for this at a different exchange rate, then the gain and loss on foreign exchange will be recorded at the time that the transaction is extinguished within your books of record. We can go OK, and we can go post. There we are. And then that will post that through. And then I could print the check accordingly.